Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to create effective Facebook ad copy. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in writing compelling and persuasive ad copy that catches attention, drives clicks, and converts viewers into customers. Step 1. Understand your target audience and their needs. Before you start writing your ad copy, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your ads? What are their needs, pain points, and aspirations? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your ad copy to address their specific interests and motivations. Step 2. Identify your ad's key message. What is the main message you want to convey with your ad? What do you want viewers to take away from it? Clearly define your ad's key message before you start writing. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your ad copy is consistent and on point. Step 3. Craft a compelling headline. Your ad's headline is the first thing viewers will see, so make it count. A strong headline should be attention-grabbing, relevant to your target audience, and clearly convey the value proposition of your ad. Use strong verbs, intriguing questions, or surprising stats to capture attention and entice viewers to read further. Step 4. Write persuasive body copy. The body copy of your ad should provide more details about your product or service and explain why viewers should care. Use clear, concise, and engaging language that highlights the benefits of your offering. Address your target audience's pain points and show them how your product or service can solve their problems or fulfill their desires. Step 5. Include a strong call to action, CTA. A clear and compelling CTA tells viewers what you want them to do next. Whether it's visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase, make sure your CTA is easy to understand and visually distinct. Use strong verbs like shop now, download free, or sign up today to encourage immediate action. Step 6. Use social proof to build trust. Incorporate testimonials, reviews, or social media endorsements to build trust with potential customers. Social proof shows that other people have had positive experiences with your product or service, making viewers more likely to try it themselves. Step 7. Use effective visuals. Eye-catching images and videos can significantly enhance your ad's impact. Use high-quality visuals that are relevant to your ad's message and visually appealing to your target audience. Consider using videos to capture attention, showcase product features, or tell a compelling story. Step 8. Test and refine your ad copy. Facebook offers various ad testing tools that allow you to test different versions of your ad copy and determine which one performs best. A/B test different headlines, body copy, and CTAs to identify the most effective combinations and optimize your ad's performance. Step 9. Stay up to date with Facebook ad copy guidelines. Facebook has specific guidelines for ad copy to ensure that it is clear, truthful, and compliant with their advertising policies. Familiarize yourself with these guidelines to avoid any issues with your ad approval or delivery. Creating effective Facebook ad copy is an essential skill for marketers and business owners. By following these steps and continuously refining your ad copy, you can write compelling and persuasive ads that capture attention, drive clicks, and convert viewers into customers. Remember, your ad copy is the voice of your brand and the first impression you make on potential customers. Invest the time and effort to create ad copy that is clear, concise, and persuasive to maximize the impact of your Facebook advertising campaigns. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.